Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right, it looks like we do have uh, Mr. Robinson present for our hearing at this time. So why don't you go ahead and call that, Lisa?
Okay, we are here in the case of Javante Robinson versus Jemiah Smith, case number 23-10961CZ. This hearing is being recorded on Zoom and live streamed on YouTube.
And this matter comes before the court today. Mr. Robinson filed a motion to have respondent Jemiah Smith file a financial statement and then increase monthly payments from $100 to $1,000. Mr. Robinson is present by Zoom from the Department of Corrections. However, Mr. Robinson, it looks like in this matter that you attempted to serve a notice of hearing on the defendant, but that was returned undeliverable, and there was therefore, Jemiah Smith didn't get any notice of this hearing to be present. Do you have any um, information on uh, where the defendant can be found? Oh, and I think Mr. Robinson might be frozen. Mr. Robinson, if you're trying to tell me something, unfortunately, I cannot. It looks like you're unmuted, but I can't hear a thing.
Hopefully they'll pop back in again. And Judge,
Yeah.
I did the notice of hearing and mailed it
Oh, okay. Very
just
good.
for,
Yeah.
but going forward, since we don't have a good address, he's gonna have to,
He's gonna have to do that and pursue alternate service and all that
yeah.
stuff if he wants to.
Okay, I've got him back. Just a
All
minute.
right, very
Yeah,
good. Can you hear me, Mr. Robinson? You're gonna have to unmute or have someone unmute that for you if needed. Can you unmute Mr. Robinson? You have to press that little red microphone at the bottom of the screen so I can hear you. Are you able to unmute, Mr. Robinson? Can you hear me, Mr. Robinson? Looks like you can hear me. I can't hear you. You're going to have to either have someone unmute you there at the MDoc, or if, yeah, I don't know if you've got a control over that little microphone. There you go.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can. That's much better. Very good, Mr. Robinson. All right, and did you hear what I said earlier, Mr. Robinson, about attempting my judicial clerk, Lisa, informed me that she sent the notice of the hearing by regular mail to Jemiah Smith at 905 Dunham, the address we had, and got returned as undeliverable. Do you have any better information on an address?
No, I do not. That's the.
Oh, and you froze up on me again. We must have a uniquely terrible connection to the Department of Corrections here. Well, in case you can hear me, I'll tell you where things stand, Mr. Robinson, and that is we tried to mail that to Jemiah Smith to, to notice them of the hearing today. However, we didn't have a good address, so that's going to go back to you to locate an accurate mailing address and to obtain service. If you can't do that, there are ways to obtain alternate service. You can look those up in the Michigan court rules. They're by
Yep, he's
publication.
he's
Oh,
gone,
we
Judge.
lost him. Well, we're gonna try and have him come in one more time
If they pop back
if they
in,
try. Okay. That just bad connection with the prison?
must be.
Probably got dial-up internet or something. All right. Well, I can tell you kind of, even though I can't hear you, Mr. Robinson, because my judicial clerk Lisa attempted to mail this notice of hearing to the defendant Jemiah Smith. However, that got returned undeliverable. Normally, that would be your job to do to obtain service on the defendant. We did it in this instance because we knew you were in a situation where it'd be hard to do from the Department of Corrections. However, without a good address, you have any more information on where to find Jemiah Smith?
No, I do not. Just the most recent numbers and addresses I have from the previous
Yeah,
meeting.
well, it appears they've up and taken off, which I can tell you is not unusual in a case like this where someone owes you money and they kind of up and take off without leaving a forwarding address. Well, I can advise you, Mr. Robinson, if you want to go forward with the motion that you have, there are ways you can obtain alternate service. Those are in the court rules. You can publish it in a legal publication or the Grand Rapids Press uh, for a certain amount of time. And if you want to obtain alternate service because you don't know where they are, you can file that request with me and I'll evaluate it when you send it in. Otherwise, if you know someone that can track that person down on the outside, sometimes people use a private investigator or process servers. Sometimes they have the ability to find more addresses and try to serve them and get them a current address so you can keep them served with legal papers. But I've really exhausted my ability here by mailing it. That's all I can do on my end to reach out to Jemiah Smith. So what I'm going to do at this time is I will deny your motion without prejudice, and that is just awaiting a address and proper service on defendant Jemiah Smith.
Okay.
Very good. And have you been receiving any of those agreed upon payments into your account, Mr. Robinson?
I have.
Okay, well, that's better than happens in a lot of these cases. Sometimes the defendant just disappears and doesn't ever make any payments. So better than nothing, I guess, as the saying goes. So good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.